Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make the oxidizer. First off, you want to go to your inventory, then select tech tree and research your oxidizer. After that, you want to go to the crafting and craft the oxidizer. You're gonna need some sticks, fiber, leather and bones, which you can get from mining trees and killing some animals. Then you want to place it down and you're gonna need some oxides. You can get them from the ores, like this one, by mining them with a pickaxe, finding them on the ground. After that, you want to aim at the lower portion of the oxidizer, press F to add the oxides, then to replenish your oxygen, just move to the top of the oxidizer and press F again to consume it. You can see on the bottom left, it's replenishing my oxygen. Also, you can see on the top right the shelter icon. This means that it's going to get destroyed when there's a storm nearby. So make sure to place it into the shelter. That's going to be all for this tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this one, and see you in the next one.